If you want to edit photos in iPhone and iOS 18, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead and open up your photos. Let's have an example. I want to edit, let's say I want to edit this photo, right? So now what I'm gonna do, I can click the three dots at the top, right? And I have for iPhone users, there's amazing feature. You can just hold right here to your photo and just send it as a sticker to your WhatsApp. But if you don't want to, just click the three dots, and from here you're gonna be able to see the more options, and just go ahead and click right here the edit, right? In my case, I'm gonna just go ahead, sorry, let me go back, sorry for that. Let me go back. I can go ahead right here and click the next to the eye icon for the circle. I'm gonna be able to add, let's say, filters, right? I can add right here different filters, and I can add like highlights if I want to, right? And I can add saturation if I want this photo to be better. If I want to add filters, I could just go ahead to the filters and just add different filters right here, right? And if I wanted to crop that photo, I can just go ahead and click crop, and I can just make it smaller, bigger, or for a specific angle, I could do that as well, you know what I mean? So I could do that, or I could just double click the crop if I want it to be the original, right? And if I want it to be square or wallpaper or different sizes like 9:16 or for other versions. So you could do that as well. And if you want to type something on the photo, you can just you could type from here at the top. You can see the pencil icon right here at the top, right? And if you want to just see right here the three dots, you're gonna see very limited options, but basically that's how you edit photos from here. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.